Hello everybody, welcome to my X-Files. Yes, this is the other washing machine that is used by the same family in this household. It is an LG Direct Drive 11 kilogram, but that Beko over there was used to replace it. So we've got many programs, so asked me to select a cycle. So we'll start from here, sports where 1 hour 2, and of course you can't have pre-wash on it. You can't have any favourites on it. And of course it's got medic rinse and spin. And as a rinse and spin, option 2 has got time saving intensive. So time saver has 54, it's got 2 rinses, 40 degrees, and the spin is 800. No, it's not. It can go all the way up to 1,000. Oh no, it goes only up to 800. Okay. So yeah, only up to 800 RPM. Dirt wash, as it says on the screen, takes 1 hour 9. It's got 800 RPM, but it can actually be heightened to 1,000, and its temperature can be risen all the way up to 40. It's got 2 rinses already. Of course, options, of course, include intensive and dark time saver. Next one is delicate, so for your very delicate fabrics, spin only goes up to 800. And of course, it's got rinse, it's got temperature up to 40. So options have got time saving intensive again. 55. Woolens has got 1 hour 1 on it. Spin speed would only go up to 800, I expect. It's got 3 rinses, 40 degrees. And of course it would have had quick. And it's got only intensive allowed. Intensive 60,000 RPM. But it can actually be used on its full size of 1,400 RPM. Only has 2 rinses. Temperature only goes up to 60. And it has no options whatsoever on that. Quick 30 is 800, but can be put all the way up to 1,000 RPM. Has 2 rinses, and because it's 30 degrees, it will only be 30 degrees. It's got intensive and time saver, but you need to add more time for better stain remove on it. Silent wash. Of course it has 800 RPM on it, but it can actually be put all the way up to 1,000. And it has intensive and time saver. Skincare, of course, 40 degrees, 1,400 RPM. Intensive and time save, and goes all the way up to 60. Then we got baby care, which of course 3 rinses, 6 degrees, 1,000 RPM. Only goes up to 1,000 RPM on this one. Temperature could go all the way up to the full Monty, the boil wash of 95, with intensive as well. we also got duvet cycle. Temperature 1000 RPM up to 1000 and up to 40. It's got intensive and time saver. Easy care cycle. Only up to 1000 RPM and temperature all the way up to 60 degrees on this machine. It's got intensive and time saver allowed. Mixed fabrics goes all the way up to 1200 on this machine. Can't go up any further. It's got temperature goes all the way up to 40. And of course got time saver and intensive. Cotton's Eco is probably only 40 to 60, but looks like it can be allowed for 20 and 30 as well, all the way up to 1400 RPM. And its options are intensive and time saver, but intensive is the Eco really. And then finally we got Cottons. Of course, Cottons has 2 rinses, 40 degrees, 1400 RPM, but of course you as I said, you got loads of things to add more rinses on if required. And yeah, of course temperature can go all the way up from cold to 95. So final thing is test for pre-washes. Not allowed on this cycle or dark wash, delicates or woolens, or intensive. Quick wash won't have it. Silent wash allows it. Skincare will allow it. Baby care would have it. Duvet won't. Easy care would. Mix would to mix. Pre-wash is allowed on that. Cotton's Eco will allow that. And of course Cottons will allow it. So this washing machine of course is sadly broke. As I said, that's why they're using the Beko, but this family, if this part of my family actually did something about it, this could do double the amount washing. But the problem is that this washing machine is quite dead. And this, of course, if you heard it, it would have a inverter motor in it and it would be working perfectly. So that's about it. So with that said, thank you for watching my X-Files and I'll see you next time, Slughoods.